Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty and I'm going home now. I finished at 1:15 when I sign out. Yeah, I did breakfast today and will be breakfast for the rest of the week. I think for the whole season I will be breakfast. Yeah, and do you know that I was absent yesterday? Yeah, many cars are passing this time. I need to go up there. Let's wait for these cars to go through for the safety of everyone. Oh, there's one more. Okay, we are home. Yeah, it's cold outside. It is around 10 degrees centigrade. That's cold. It's good that I am now back to normal. Yeah, I don't want to experience that again. Okay, so I just changed my usual cold sweater, and I'm now preparing my lunch. It's mungo with pork crackling, with rocket leaves, tomato, garlic, onion, some fish sauce. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are going home now as usual. This time again is 1 o'clock. I signed out at 1:20. I was already running, going out of the door, but then the general manager saw me and he asked me to make fish for him. Yeah, I usually do fish for him. He eat only fish, and the good thing about that general manager is not choosy. He eat whatever I do. Yeah, he usually asks me, as Inigo, as Rafael, to make fish for him. And what I usually do is just the pizza sauce. I put a lot of chili and I put some vegetable, adjust the seasoning, adding some soy sauce. Yeah, and yeah, that's basically the sauce. And then the fish, I put it in the oven, cook it in the oven, and just put it on top of the plate. That's how I usually do, and I think he likes it. Yeah, that's what I did today. And sometimes I put some prawn bits. Yeah, and I think he likes it because he is always asking me to do. He said, whatever you like. Oh, nice. Look at that. They flattened the road here. It's not rough road anymore. Very good. And during my lunch break, I was sitting outside, and then there is one car that is stopped and parked in there. And there is one guy that looks like a Filipino, yeah, that get down from the car. And they are actually a family. But then I greet the guy. I said, "Kabayan po." In English, I said, "Are you Filipino?" Yeah, and he said, "Yes." And then he asked me if there is a police checking on that side for the license for fishing. Good afternoon. Yeah, I said I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe those family, they don't have license to fish. That's not good. We are now here in the Albura Marina. Yeah, there's not so much people as I can see from here. Yeah, and still very early. The time now is 1:40. Yeah, like what I mentioned to you before, that we are working in reduced hours. All of us, we are working with limit. I mean, reduced hours. Normally 38 hours a week, but these days less than that. Yeah. Okay. I don't want to go home yet, but I'm feeling cold. Maybe we are going home now. We're just going to have a quick look down there and then we go home. You're the only one I ever desire. All the lights down, make the world a place slow as you move into the night. Oh, look at that. There's one bike traveler, bike packer out there. The water is really clear, but because of the waves, I mean of the wind, you don't really see things clearly. From time to time, you're going to see a group of tourists. I mean, they maybe are a group of friends coming from the city, probably from Sydney or from Newcastle. Yeah, and they are traveling all together. The same like yeah, some of the guys that visited me here before. And when I was in Sydney, also we do like that. We travel to the other suburbs, and we are just looking around. Yeah, just like these guys, they are maybe coming from Sydney. They drive from Sydney or Newcastle to get here. I'll also look at that side. Yeah, there are many tourists on that side and also fishermen. Yeah, they are trying to get closer to the pelican. They are taking photo. Yeah, pelican sometimes is like that. They are not moving, but they are scary. They are having that big mouth. You know, whenever I see a bike like that, I am jealous. Yeah, because I really wanted to be traveling with a bike. Okay, we're just going to be walking in here. We are not going to the grocery. We're just going to have a look around here. Yeah, we got home. I am now preparing my meal. I am doing this, boiling this corn, cooking the rice, and I'm cooking the mungo beans inside. It's still frozen a little bit more. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to switch off the. Yeah, I forgot to switch off the solar panel. Yeah, this is the solar panel. That must be switched off. I switched that on this morning because there is no hot water. Yeah, if I keep on forgetting that on, will be a problem. I mean, yeah, electricity bills will go high up. Not good. Okay, I'm going to, if you remember this, this adjustable diffuser plus fragrance. I don't know how to use this. Then put it here. Yes. I think that's it. I'm going to put it there. I'm actually not happy having this here. So I'm going to take it out. I don't like it there. I'm going to put it outside. Yeah, I don't like too much strong smell. You notice this bottle? Yeah, this is actually this one. Yeah, this is the, what's this? Robert Tim's coffee. And I'm using it as a bottled water for drinking.